Today's ride is a 2023 BMW M240. You've got an inline 6-cylinder with twin power turbo and 382 horsepower to an all-wheel drive setup here. So let me take you through the gears. I'm going to put it into sport, transmission, and sport dynamic driving mode. Your 0 to 60 time is 3.6 seconds. That's supercar fast. Great little pops out of the exhaust between shifts. This is opted out with Brooklyn Grey metallic exterior, M Sport. So you have the red calipers, M Sport brakes, premium package, parking assistance package. Decor red interior. You see the detail on the M Sport colors there and on the dash. You have your BMW curved display. So your entry into the M240 is going to be about $52,000. And that will include your maintenance for the first 3 years or 36,000 miles. So not to forget that. Not too many other companies do that. Not too many other companies also try to ensure near perfect balance of your chassis. That's half the weight on the front of the car, half the weight on the back. Best case scenario for handling. And you can pretty much take most of what's at the stoplight next to you in this car. So I hope you get the chance to experience it for yourself. You can do that here at BMW Crystal Lake. My name is James Orton. Hope you have a great weekend. Safe travels, everybody.